teaching a dance style versus teaching a dance topic with iMoves. We have split our dance styles and dance topics to help you deliver iMoves dance sessions with confidence. Here is what to expect when teaching a dance style with iMoves resources. As part of your dance resources for each style, you will have access to our brilliant demo movies, each featuring 12 to 15 moves for each style, called a toolkit. For example, Bollywood has 12 moves in the toolkit that children simply follow along, learning the techniques and timing for that style, for example. We have lots of fun styles to try, from modern styles like cheer dance and popping and locking, to more traditional styles like Scottish dance and flamenco. You will facilitate a lesson based upon 4 to 6 moves from the toolkit, where the children will then create their own routines from the moves or perform them in a particular order. The lesson plans will help you structure the lesson and help you to coach and inspire the children to create their own wonderful choreography. You may be asked to help children to create different formations, use canon or other dance-related group actions. However, everything is explained, leaving you feeling super confident and in control. Our music mixes have been designed to run for up to 15 minutes to allow the children to practice over and over again in their groups. This also gives you the time to work your way around the groups to coach and support without the hassle of replaying the track every 3 minutes. Our music is brilliantly designed around 32 count phrases that simply repeat and repeat. It will always have a regular beat so children can move in time easily and find the beginning of the phrase. This is all demonstrated in the demo movies. However, the more time they spend learning about the structure of the music, the easier it will be for them to move in time and create their own choreography effectively to the music. You need absolutely no dance experience to teach dance styles with iMoves. We do all the tricky stuff for you. Just encourage them, show good performances to others in the group, and try to keep them in time with the music. This will become easier as they progress through the iMoves schemes.
Thanks for that, Gay. Now I'm going to tell you all about teaching a topic with iMoves. And this is different to teaching a style, as we generally follow a story or a specific music mix. For example, the Great Fire of London unit, or the Victorians unit, which works to a specifically produced piece of music that children create their own movements to. We inspire children via our movies that show them our ideas for different topics, and we use fun flashcards with keywords on them to help them tell the story. Topics with iMoves are super easy to teach, as all the teacher needs to do is facilitate, inspire, and then encourage the children, just like you would in any other lesson. So if you want to model the moves yourself using our ideas, or use the movies directly with your children via your whiteboard, it's completely up to you. So have fun and get those children moving and enjoying the wonderful world of dance.